What's going on, guys? Matt here at Dimes, and first flip of the day. Beautiful slimy. It just rained last night. We had a warm front move in. I already flipped one rock that had a 5-line skink, a slimy about this size, and a fence lizard, which is just crazy. Well, look at the colors on him. That's how you start out a video. That's an intro right there. Alright, well, Lucas is gonna hate me, but just under that rock, I flipped my lifer eastern worm snake. Right here. Look at this guy. He's got some battle scars. It looks like he's in shed. And he's got some marks right here. He's been dinged up a bit. And when I found him under that rock, it looked like it might have been set back on him wrong because he's got some marks right there. But, I mean, he is adorable. Calm as can be. These are another fossorial species of snake. And, wow. I thought it was a blind snake, but we don't have blind snakes. So, yeah. This guy is amazing. It's about as big as they get, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Oh. He's moving around and he keeps like shaking his head kind of back and forth. He is super cool. See that? So something's not right with him. Something is not right with him at all. Look at him. He is just adorable. What are you doing, buddy? You checking out the camera? Checking out the camera? Super cool. I have to hold on to this guy till Lucas gets here, otherwise he will kill me. Now, their worm snakes have shiny scales right here, and also that pointed tip right there at the tail. Yeah, sometimes they'll just dig that into your skin and that kind of hurts, but other than that, beautiful specimen. Knock this one off the bucket list. What are you doing? I called Lucas, told him that I caught a worm snake, and they're booking it. Absolutely booking it. Hey, what up, buddy?
Hello.
Come on, Lucas!
Man, he has a small head.
I know.
Good run.
Yep. I'm not running. But it's a worm snake.
Man, he's not motivated for one.
Alright, we're gonna let this guy go back and burrow. I'm gonna put him up under here. I found him up under this one, but I'm gonna let him kind of recover in a spot to where, oh, he doesn't want to leave me.
Aw. Go back in there, you little noodle.
Here,
What are these bugs called?
there you go.
Some sort of beetle.
And he can burrow down and get the rest of that shed off there.
Let's hope so.
Let's just call them cockroaches.
Very cool little dude. Thank you, Mr. Worm Snake. Hey, you got a big slimy. Yeah. Pretty calm. I'm expecting for us to flip a lot of salamanders.
I mean, it did just rain.
Yeah, it did just rain. And it wasn't really a cold rain, but in a warm front, like I'd said. So I'm expecting if we flip this short thing of tracks, and we're gonna check out that cave salamander spot,
And the
show
rat
chasing,
snake
and the rat snake spot, show chasing. But I'm expecting flipping stuff along here. We're gonna be finding some slimies and some fossorial snakes like the worm snake, ringnecks. I'd love to get me a red belly. Oh.
Let's get a red belly.
Yeah. Flip this rock. Got me a nice little slimy. Lucas already found what? 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Let's just watch him burrow. There you go. Come on. You got it. You got it, buddy. Alright. Got a little baby slimy. I love these guys.
There's so many of them.
They're adorable. Alright, I'm gonna let you go. We got another baby, and he's even smaller. Yeah, I'm probably gonna show you guys every single thing that we find because
Why not?
it's the only way you can understand the magnitude of how much crap is out right now. So right here, in this spot where this inset is, that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is a black racer. Beautiful black racer. Don't think we're going to be able to get him because his head's going down right in that hole, but might be able to do something with him.
We could get you a better.
Okay, I got a better view of this guy here for y'all, and I'm going to try to get him with a snake hook before he disappears. Well, he went back into the hole, so.
We found a big slimy salamander.
Did you seriously just lose it?
Yeah, I think you did.
No, it's over here. And got him.
I thought he seriously
I really
lost.
did. I thought it was a whole nother fence lose situation.
Okay, he deserves to go.
Alright guys, got ourselves a little slimy. We decided to check it out, show chasing.
Slimy or cave?
Or cave.
Cave.
Whatever, at least I didn't think a cave was a piece of glass.
Oh my god.
He's backing
there's
out.
a baby slimy.
Oh,
there is!
bye buddy.
Want me to dim the flashlight a little bit?
There he is. Hey old buddy. Hey little
This
guy.
whole cave is full of geodes.
Hey, he's moving. How far down does it go? Does it just end?
You'll see.
Wait, leave your flashlight where it's at.
Oh, he's so cute.
Jurassic World style.
He's moving real slow. There we go. We got another beautiful looking cave. They're so pretty. Never get tired of seeing these guys. So there was one that was over in this area, but he kind of bolted. That's all I'm really seeing right now. Alright, so now we're on our way to Emery's, which you guys remember from this place is insane, that one. That big place that kind of looks like a desert. That's where we're going because it looks ideal for racers and you should hognose snakes. So we're thinking we flip some of those bushes again. They should be there. Alright, side route. We just found a new spot that looks, it's got a cave up there. I'm thinking with the way this is looking, I might just have a goal mid-video of a green salamander. How sick would that be? Alright, so we have here is a slimy in a little cave. There's apparently two.
Yep, two right there.
Oh, there's two right there. Oh, that's nifty. Moss is super loose. Perfect for green salamanders, red salamanders.
Ringnecks.
Ringnecks, yeah.
Everything.
Everything, pretty much. I'm going to try to get him before he disappears, but right here in this crack, I don't know if you guys can see him, that is a slimy salamander, just chilling.
Get a good view of
He's a big sucker too. Sallies are out.
Oh, that's what you were talking about.
This thing, that
It definitely happened.
should hold something.
This happened less than.
If only we could actually get
It still has some.
up there. So this whole thing dips down into this old abandoned, it's some kind of mining shaft. So if you look right there, there's one part of it and there's another part of it. And that's what we're going to try to get to. I don't know what we're going to see in there, but it should be interesting. Here's the old mine shaft and it looks like it's been blocked off. So it's looking like up there though there might be a way. So it sounds like a Lucas peeing. It sounds like a Lucas peeing in the woods.
Yeah.
Only happens after the rain.
Exactly. No, he's like.
They just found a cave salamander.
There he is.
And I farted.
Dang. Its tail.
I can barely see him.
Yeah, it's gone now.
He's gone. Dang it.
Well, I got him on video.
It went up
Alright.
to wherever.
It's looking like this could be a good spot for some racers or Eastern hognose. So we're going to hit this up and then I think we're going to finish on the tracks.
There's a mountain.
We are on a race against time.
Watch your hand. You're putting your hand close to a black.
That'll be alright. And then I got a little black widow right there.
Yep.
Pretty
This
cool.
is Black Widow,
And
Marvel fans, and a baby slimy under the
Which
same
the
rock.
black widow is probably about to destroy.
Yeah.
So we'll let them get back to doing their thing. Hang on. Oh,
We'll get back to letting the Black Widow kill the slimy.
I saved him.
Alright, now.
It's my good deed for the day.
Yeah.
There you go, buddy. There shouldn't be any black widows under there. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos on either side. And man, that worm snake at the beginning, that was a good way to start it. I wish I'd ended it on that note, but still. Pretty cool. Saw some caves and slimies and that one spot. I mean, good lord. But we're gonna try to hit this place up first next time we come out here so we can have a better chance of finding something. I'm pretty sure everything's wrapping it up. So, alright guys, see you tomorrow.
Hit me, Jim.
Give me 30. I want you to actually give me 30 though.
4, 5, 6, 7.
And we're done.